Everyone's eyes are on Palantir Technologies Incorporated with ticker code PLTR in the fast-moving world of technology and data analysis. This article dives deep into what's been happening with the company, how it's doing in the market, and what the future could hold for its stock. Some big news has come out that's shaking things up for Palantir stock. The company's been landing major deals and teaming up with different industries, and that's like a big thumbs up from the market. These moves show that Palantir's tech is valuable and could mean more moolah rolling in. As Palantir gets comfy in essential areas, its stock's ride is all about how well it carries out its plans and spreads its wings. Now, let's talk about their latest creations, PGE, Foundry, and Apollo. These bad boys are shaking up the tech scene and making waves. They're changing the game for Western institutions by boosting how much they get done, how they do it, and how safe and sound everything is. But here's the real game changer: Palantir's thrown an AI party, and everyone's invited. They've brought out the big guns, like those super intelligent algorithms and language models that can chew through mountains of data. This move is about companies using AI to revamp the way they work. Palantir's products are like your favorite tunes on repeat. They're getting even more popular as AI, especially those language models, becomes hotter than a summer sidewalk. Oh, and there's more. Their AI platform, AIP, is here and is a game changer. This platform mixes those clever language models with some serious tech mojo. It's like pouring rocket fuel into the tech world's engine. Many industries can shake things up using those language models with AIP. Palantir's also looking to buddy up with universities and research hangouts. They're all about getting fresh ideas and smarts from these brainy pals. It's like teaming up with superheroes to cook up cool stuff. This buddy system can speed up the brainy work, creating super cool tech and ideas that pump up Palantir's growth. It's like giving them a shiny new toolbox to play with, which could mean even more awesome products in their lineup. AIP isn't just a bunch of letters, it's like a magic key that helps businesses unlock hidden gems in their data. Remember those mystery patterns, incredible connections, and chances you never knew existed? Well, AIP brings them to light. It's like having a treasure map that guides you to incredible new products, services, and strategies. With AIP, you can supercharge your innovation game, zooming ahead of the pack and making Palantir a superstar in your growth journey. So, Palantir's AI-powered tools are like the ultimate Swiss Army knife, ready for any job. That means they can make bank from different places. But guess what? They're not the only ones in the game. Other tech giants are gunning for the same prize, the data world. To keep the spotlight on, Palantir's got to keep the innovation rolling, stay sharp on what customers need, and keep those partnerships alive. Don't forget the heroes behind the scenes. Palantir's founders are like the architects of this whole astonishing journey. They're all about solving big problems with data. It's like they have superhero capes on, working hard to improve the world. Their vision is like the North Star guiding Palantir's course. Before we continue, thanks for watching this far. As of September 7th, Palantir is dancing around the $15.12 mark, close to its real worth of $15.47. So, it seems like the stock's playing fair. But check this out, the PS ratio is kind of a high roller at 16.36x. That's way more than what the sector usually does at around 2.4x. So, it's like the stock's got its party hat on, but the price might be a bit too loud. Insiders have been selling the stock lately, like 18 times in the past 3 months. They've dumped around 5,190,694 shares. That's like your squad leaving the party early. It raises eyebrows and might make investors think twice. And wait for it, Palantir's revenue per share has dipped for the past 3 years. That's like a red flag for the company's money game, and it could mess with their future profits. So, Palantir Technologies Incorporated is all about finding balance as it walks through opportunities and challenges. Those AI-powered platforms they've got are like a treasure chest of potential. Yeah, there's competition, but Palantir's like a chameleon, constantly changing, always staying ahead, and always thinking about doing what's right. In short, Palantir's stepping onto the stage as a serious AI and data game player. They're like heroes who can fit in anywhere, and people are paying attention, boosting their stock. This is a roller coaster ride of investments, filled with twists and turns. To really get it, you've got to zoom in on Palantir's plans, tech, and where they're standing in the market. And remember, their values and how they're trying to make the world better are like the heart of what they do. It's like their secret sauce, which perfectly aligns with what their founders dreamed of. Now, let's peek at what happened during the trading session. When the final curtain fell, the stock closed at $15.37. But before that, it was moving around from $15.12 to $15.725. And hey, if we're talking about the stock's performance over the past year, it hit its highest note at $20.24 and its lowest at $5.84. Looking at the bigger picture, Palantir's been swaying back and forth by about minus 14.55% in the past month. Palantir Technologies Incorporated is in the spotlight, with a market cap of around $32.71 billion. Everyone's got their eyes locked on the calendar from November 6th to 10th, 2023, waiting for the company's quarterly results. And guess what? Investors might hope to see a nice price jump before the company spills the beans on its earnings report. Analysts are doing their crystal ball thing and predicting that the company's earnings per share will be 6 cents. But hold on, they think it could climb to 8 cents by fiscal year 2023 and then shoot up to about 27 cents by fiscal year 2024. That's like a rocket taking off, a whopping 283.3% growth in 2024. And the year after, they're predicting a 17.4% boost. This quarter's guesstimate is around $555.39 million, bouncing between a low of $553.05 million and a high of $557.8 million. If all goes well, that would be a sweet 18.1% sales growth compared to last year. Looking ahead to 2024, they think revenue could reach $2.21 billion, jumping 16.1% from the previous year. Do you want to know what the experts are saying? 18 analysts have weighed in. 7 say it's a hold, 2 votes for buy, and 1 goes with overweight. On the flip side, 3 think it's underweight, and 5 say it's a sell. So, the average rating is hold. The PEG ratio is around 0, and the stock is chilling nearly minus 9.85% and minus 4.79% away from the 20-day and 50-day moving averages, respectively. The Relative Strength Index, RSI 14, is currently at 42.10, and the volatility ratio for 7 days is 4.33%, while it's 6.14% for the 30-day chart. The company's beta value is 2.80, and the average true range is 1.03. Analysts think the stock might hit an average of $13.65 over the next 52 weeks, with a low of $5 and a high of $25. The median price target is $14, a boost of 9.39% from where it's at now. Trading history tells us that over the last 10 days, average trading volumes were around 79.07 million. For the past 3 months, it's been about 84.97 million. There are 2.13 billion shares outstanding. Almost 0.6% of Palantir Technologies Incorporated shares are owned by insiders, while institutional investors hold about 34.9% of the pie. On July 30th, 2023, short interest accounted for 119.44 million shares, resulting in a short ratio of 1.98. As of July 30th, 2023, 5.55% of shares outstanding were in short interest, with 132.54 million short shares registered on June 29, 2023. The stock has made a solid climb of 140.65% since the start of the year, hinting at more growth potential. This could light up investors' optimism heading into the next quarter. So, what's your verdict on Palantir AI? Is it a bull or a bear? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video interesting, hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching until the end. This is Nate, and I'll see you in the next one. Can Palantir be your ticket to riches? Check it out on this next video.